Hey, what's up? If you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Ooh, child, just thinking about it. Whew. But it turned out good though. Alright, so the first thing I do is detangle with water. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm just taking water, putting it on my hands, and then lathering up my hair. And then after I do that, I'll finger detangle my hair. And then after I finger detangle, I take a wide tooth comb and just detangle going from the bottom up.
These labels selling phonies. Why they hating at the back of the crowd? Where ain't nobody told you this that razzling child? Skylar just came with a gram of that loud. I put the dro in the swisher and passed it around.
So then I take a paddle brush and just start brushing my hair. And I do the same thing, which is starting from the roots and working my way up the hair shaft. So the first product that I use is the Carol's Daughter pomade. Don't judge me for the small bottle, y'all, but the big one was sold out. So I just apply it to the front of my scalp and on my scalp, on the area where I'm gonna have the part at. And I just rub it in, it's like grease. So, and yes, I know that I need my ends clipped. I'm getting them clipped. Don't worry, I know. So the next thing I take is the Carol's Daughter 4-in-1 combing cream. So my hair really likes Carol's Daughter's products, so most of the video is going to have those products. But yeah, so I just put some on my hand and rub it all through my hair. Also, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. I use a whole bunch of product. You don't have to, but that's what I do. I have a lot of hair. My hair is very thick, so I like to have slip. So yeah. So the next product I use is the hair milk by Carol's Daughter, and I'll just do the same like I did last time and just rub it all over my hair and then brush it in. So the next one I use is the Carol's Daughter's Cocoa Cream, and I just put a whole bunch on my hands and just work it through my hair. Ooh, child. Like, I don't think you guys realize how hard it is for me to do my hair, especially because I don't know how to do hair. So, like, this is a process.
Give me one good reason why.
So now my favorite part, oils. So the first one I use is one of my favorite, which is jojoba oil. My hair really likes it, so I use it all the dang time. Okay, so disclaimer, you do not have to twist your hair like this, but y'all need to make sure that you're bringing the oil down the whole hair shaft to the ends. And also, after I do that, I take some oil and then I rub it directly to my scalp. So the next thing I use is my new staple product, which is Jamaican black castor oil. So I did not want to jump on the bandwagon. I thought that it was overrated and I was never going to use it, but I recently started, and man, when I tell you that my hair has got so thick again, and also like, girl and guys, my edges, yes, that's all I gotta say about that. You need to go grab you some. So the next thing I use is the Got To Be glue. I actually found out about this through Malibu Dollface in Ivy. But yeah, that hold is like the best hold for my hair type. I don't really know my hair type. I think it's between 3C and 3/4 A and B, but I don't know. I've never really had a curl pattern, so my hair's always been mostly wavy. But yeah, listen, y'all need to grab you some of that. Like, I know it's for wigs, but like, do y'all see how that's laying my hair down? Come on now.
Wake up and be in my shoes. They choosing their moves. I don't know about you.
So the next thing I use is the Murray's Edge Control. I actually found out about this through my mom because she bought some. But yeah, now that's some good hold. There is the one that is like the extreme hold. It's like the black top one. They were sold out, so I couldn't get that one, so I just got the regular one. But yeah, y'all need to invest in some of that. If you guys got hair that's like similar to mine, or just thick hair, or just like hair that has like a lot of flyaways, yeah, cop that. Alright, so this is me deciding on if I wanted to lay my baby hairs out, and I personally don't like doing that. So as you can see, I do it and then I'm like, nah. I don't know, it just seems, I don't know, it seems weird to me to do. And then also, like, I sweat my edges out, so it doesn't make sense for me to do it. So I just never do it. It's very rare. So then I take a scrunchie. I got these from Target. They're super wonderful and comfortable, and they hold my hair, and I just proceed to try to fit it all in a bun, which is very hard when you have thick hair problems.
We both ain't been through some strange things. We both single time to change things.
I wouldn't advise you to do what I just did. If you have bobby pins, that would be better to protect your ends than what I did. I couldn't find my bobby pins, so I just tucked my hair. And then I just go back in and smooth my edges down and any flyaways, and yeah, I got some more baby hair that I was gonna do, and I said nope. So for my favorite part, which is putting my scarf on. So I use a silk scarf. Silk is the best material if you want to retain moisture, and it's also breathable. So I just wrap my hair up, and I keep this on for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on what I'm doing. Alright, so the grand reveal. So I just take this scarf off, and that's how my hair looks after having it on. So this is the end result. You can see, like what I was saying earlier, my hair is wavy. Ooh, don't those waves make you seasick? Well, they're only on one side, but still. But yeah, I don't know how to do hair, so this is how I do my hair. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you also can't do hair and little tips that you do. Alright, bye.